Good afternoon, my friends. Your host here, Sally Casper. Like I said yesterday, I will show you how to deep fry chicken without any oil. How can we do that? You have to watch my video. And before I will play the video, please don't forget subscribing, like over here, and please don't forget to hit the bell button so you will get notified in my next video. My friends, please watch my video. My friends, this is the result of the chicken that I put in the PowerXL air fryer. Can you imagine with no oil? It looks good, my friends. So the chicken, I just put garlic, salt, and the seasoned salt, and I plug it in, and look at that. We already tested the chicken from this one, and we'll try to taste it because it's still very hot. That's why we got it like small one, because it's hot. That's from there. See that? Looks pretty good. It's very hot, so we just get a little bit of the skin, and we'll try to taste it. Wow, it's crunchy. My goodness, this is our dinner, and with salad and rice. Yummy. PowerXL, my friends and family. Really good.